Hi guys, it's Abigail. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going down the River Thames on a boat for my cousin and my auntie's birthday. We'll film a bit later. Hi guys, we are in the car on the way to Datchet. We are going to film on the back boat a bit later.
By 1 o'clock, we'll turn round. Yeah, 50 knots, it's up there, yeah.
She's got followers now. She's doing.
There's the water coming in now. See, we're going up.
Tell Auntie Hayley what.
Hi guys, we've just moored up the boat and now we're going to the restaurant.
Yes.
Can you say the person up there is having
Go on, dig in.
We're home now. It's been one of the best days ever. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.
Go.
Hi guys, we've just mowed up the boat. Hi guys, we've just moored up. Hi guys, we are in the car on the way to Datchet.